Hey, what up? What up? What up? What up? It's Swole Waver. Hey, this video is about to be about how to keep your waves in a blizzard. Man, I'm just playing with y'all. I'm about to show y'all what we Chicago natives got to deal with, man. The Chicago weather is crazy. It's a blizzard outside. So y'all see I'm ski masked up. I stay ragged up. But I need y'all to see the type of shit we going through right now. It's supposed to be like 14 inches of snow by the time it's all said and done. So y'all just watch this, man. I'm about to let the garage door up. Gotta get that rag right. Get that rag right. What's that? Feather from my coat. All right. Man, check this out, for real. Gotta stay bundled up in my Timberland. Look at this shit right here, y'all. Look at this. All right. Look at that, man. Y'all see this? Everybody out here shoveling and shit. This shit crazy, man. I just had to let y'all see what's going on behind me. It's crazy out here. Look at that. My daughter's car is completely covered in that shit. It's crazy. Well, yeah, let me get to this snow blowing and I'll get at y'all in another video. This video ain't about keeping no damn waves and no blizzard. I was just messing with y'all. All right, I'm out.